So here I am up in Sheffield Lake. So this is the far west side. I live in the medium east side. So I live a couple towns east of Cleveland. I am quite a few towns west of Cleveland. And here is one of the shots. I mean, I can, from basically how the crow flies from where I live, Lake Erie's like 2 miles. My mom used to live much, I mean, you could leave her apartment and walk north for 10 minutes and you'd be at a park and you'd be looking at this water. I don't want to really go down to the breaker wall. I feel like Klesh, Shane Klesh. And here's the old ID. No, that was to an old soda thing. All right, well, I got a penny. All right, so this trip's already making me money. So different parts. I been to Bay Village, which is down that way. I showed a video quite a while ago. Way on the horizon. I'm going to steady myself. I can see it. There it is. I have no idea what that thing is, but it is out there. About probably halfway across the lake. Some birds. Got something else. It's in between. Well, you can't see the post, but it's closer to the right of the black fence, but all the way in the horizon on the water. And this place serves as a boat launch. I probably should have just pulled in over there where it was a little better. I could have gone all the way down there, but this is Sheffield Lake. Just this one part. And then there's, like I said, Bay Village and Avon on the lake. That's all west side, West Lake. And there's so many other little towns that are just right on Lake Erie. All right. Hopefully he has fun and stays safe. Time to get some stuff. Goodwill is in that plaza. You can see it right there. And there's my car. And the one thing you'll get a lot when you're by a lake are what you should probably just call lake gulls, I guess, but seagulls. Dude, I saw you laughing at me, man. I'm outnumbered by a large number, by a large part. All right, back at the ultrasound place. There's a train coming in. That one's going the other way. All right. Same kind of junky old junk as before. So what's in this bag? I got a cable. A little laptop locking thing. But this bag is heavy. Ah, there we go. Circuit board. Camera.